You want a Forex broker that's reliable, transparent, and powerful, a place where you can trade currency pairs, manage risk, and grow your strategy with real tools. You've run into a lot of brokers with hidden fees, poor execution, or limited markets. That's where OANDA claims to excel. But in 2026, is OANDA truly the right Forex trading platform? Or has it been outpaced by newer, flashier alternatives? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down brokers and trading platforms so you can choose wisely. Today we're diving deep into OANDA to see whether it deserves a place in your trading toolbox. I spent several weeks testing OANDA. Live trades, demo accounts, advanced chart setup, risk controls, and mobile versus desktop performance. I compared OANDA to other top-tier Forex brokers in terms of spreads, pricing, regulatory structure, and trade execution. I also looked at community feedback from trading forums, Reddit, and reviews to get a sense of how real users feel. After going through deposit, withdrawal, order execution, and trade analysis, I formed a clear picture of where OANDA shines and where it doesn't in 2026. OANDA advertises itself as a seasoned, regulated broker with transparent pricing, powerful charting tools, and institutional-grade reliability. Their pitch includes tight spreads, no minimum deposit in many regions, and access to a wide range of currency pairs. But nowadays, many brokers claim the same thing. So the question is, does OANDA deliver real value, or is it just another broker riding on a legacy name? We need to ask, are the trading costs still competitive? Is the platform modern and responsive enough? How deep are its tools? Step 1. Regulation and trust. OANDA is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the US, UK, EU, Canada, and others. This gives it strong credibility. In 2026, this regulatory backing is still one of its most compelling advantages, especially compared to smaller brokers that may lack global licenses. Step 2. Spreads and pricing. In my testing on major LRUSD and GBP/USD pairs, OANDA's spreads were competitive but not always the absolute lowest. On rare occasions, I saw slightly tighter spreads on newer brokers. Still, for a well-regulated broker, the pricing structure feels fair, including transparent slippage and no hidden fees for many account types. Step 3. Trading platform and tools. OANDA offers a robust web platform, desktop charting tools, and a solid mobile app. Its charts are customizable, the interface supports multiple order types, and there are advanced risk management options like guaranteed stop losses in some regions. For technical traders, the tools are powerful, though some pro traders might miss very specialized or algorithmic features available in purely institutional platforms. Step 4. Execution and liquidity. Order execution was smooth and reliable in my live tests, even during volatile sessions. OANDA's liquidity held up well, and I did not experience major slippage on standard lot trades. For a retail Forex broker, its execution engine remains solid in 2026. Step 5. Account options and flexibility. OANDA offers flexible account options, standard accounts, commission-based accounts, or premium tiers. Its mobile account opening process is relatively fast, and deposit JASMA withdrawal options are broad: bank, credit card, local methods. This makes it accessible for newer traders without forcing massive initial funding. Step 6. Education and support. OANDA provides strong educational content, webinars, articles, market analysis, and a demo environment. Customer support was generally responsive when I asked about trade rules and account types, but some advanced traders want more direct support for API trading or institutional tools, which OANDA doesn't emphasize as heavily. So, is OANDA the right Forex trading platform for you in 2026? If you value regulation, reliability, and a proven track record, OANDA remains a top-tier choice. It's practical for traders who want a stable broker, solid execution, and transparent costs. However, if your priority is ultra-low spreads all the time, algorithmic, automated trading, or very advanced quant tools, then there may be newer, more niche brokers that fit your style better. In summary, OANDA is not the flashiest broker on the market in 2026, but its strength lies in trust, flexibility, and stable performance. For many serious traders, especially in Forex, it's still a very smart platform to consider. If this review helped you decide whether OANDA is the broker for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We break down financial platforms every week so you can trade smarter. Drop a like if you found this helpful and let me know in the comments. Do you use OANDA or do you prefer another broker? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose the best tools to grow your trading edge.